5 minutes. That is the time it takes to extract the deepest, vibrant nutritional profile from raw produce and put it directly into your body. But the standard method for getting there relies on speed. Traditional centrifugal juicers spin razor-sharp blades at tens of thousands of revolutions per minute, violently tearing fruits and vegetables apart in seconds. High-velocity spinning rips produce apart, forcing air in and generating heat. This breaks down enzymes, leaving a compromised drink. Opposite this, a cold press auger gently compresses fibers. Zero heat, minimal oxidation. The cellular structure remains intact. Yet the people who buy these superior machines often abandon them within a month. The process of using them, dealing with jammed motors, narrow feed chutes, and exhaustive cleanups, creates too much friction for a daily routine. A sustainable wellness habit depends on machinery engineered to remove the specific mechanical obstacles that cause most users to quit. The first obstacle to cold press extraction is usually the price tag. High-end masticating technology carries a reputation for requiring a serious financial commitment up front. The Hamilton Beach 67951 dismantles that assumption. It delivers the mechanical benefits of slow extraction without demanding a premium budget, offering a realistic starting point for everyday households. Inside, it utilizes a Triton auger powered by a 150-watt motor. Rather than relying on velocity, it acts as a slow, deliberate screw, crushing the ingredients with steady, continuous force. This chart shows the direct result of that steady pressure. When processing dense, difficult leafy greens like kale and spinach, the Hamilton Beach extracts double the liquid of a standard centrifugal machine. By lowering the cost of entry while maintaining high extraction metrics, the technology stops being a luxury and becomes an accessible tool for daily nutrition. Even with an affordable machine, a new problem emerges. Most basic juicers lock you into a single speed, applying the exact same pressure to a delicate orange as you do to a solid carrot guarantees a compromised yield for both. The Jocuu slow masticating juicer targets this flaw with a dual-speed system. A soft mode caters to delicate, water-dense fruits, while a high-pressure hard mode engages specifically for dense, fibrous vegetables. This chart illustrates how targeted pressure maximizes efficiency. By adapting to the cellular structure of the ingredient, the Jocuu achieves up to a 95% extraction rate, leaving behind dry waste pulp. But some ingredients present a different mechanical threat. Superfoods like ginger root are packed with dense, unyielding strings that tangle and stall lower-tier augers. The AMZCHEF juicer solves this density problem by extending the extraction path. It uses a 7-segment spiral, breaking down fibrous strings across 7 progressive stages of crushing force to prevent the motor from choking. Both the AMZCHEF and the Jocuu also include a dedicated reverse function. If a jam begins to form, a single button press backs the auger out, clearing the blockage without requiring you to fully dismantle the machine. Variable speeds and progressive spirals respect the diverse biology of natural foods, extracting maximum liquid without triggering a mechanical failure. Another major point of friction is spatial. Kitchen countertop space is limited, and dedicating a permanent spot to an appliance that only serves one highly specific function is difficult to justify. The Omega J8006 HDS is a comprehensive nutrition system, utilizing a legacy horizontal design built for versatility across a dozen distinct kitchen tasks. It runs on a motor restricted to just 80 revolutions per minute. This extreme slow speed generates virtually zero heat, ensuring the enzymes and vitamins survive the extraction process intact. By combining that low-speed torque with an adjustable pressure end cap, the Omega scales well beyond juice. It extrudes fresh pasta, it grinds coffee beans, it minces herbs, processes baby food, and churns raw nuts into butter. An automatic ejection system continuously clears out the waste pulp during heavy use. To back up its industrial-grade construction, Omega guarantees the machine with a 15-year warranty. By absorbing the tasks of multiple specialty tools, a versatile machine earns its permanent place on the counter and justifies the footprint. Even with cost, yield, and space resolved, one final obstacle ruins the habit: dense clogs that stop the machine cold, followed by 20 minutes of manual scrubbing at the sink. The Ninja J was built to neutralize those exact 2 behavioral failure points. It uses a specialized 150-watt high-torque motor, optimized to maintain a slow cold press rotation while aggressively powering through thick, stringy greens and dense roots that would normally stall standard augers. This diagram shows how the machine provides granular textural control. Users choose between a fine mesh filter for a clarified drink or a coarse mesh to retain plant fiber. The crucial engineering decision happens after the juicing is done. Every single component that touches the liquid or the pulp is entirely dishwasher safe. No manual scrubbing of fine wire mesh is required. When you remove the manual labor of unclogging and cleaning, you strip away the final psychological excuse, making daily consistency the path of least resistance. The internal mechanics of a cold-press juicer all serve one ultimate purpose: delivering a glass of smooth, completely unoxidized nutrition. The external workspace remains equally clean thanks to thoughtful hardware additions like a built-in anti-drip lever and tool-free disassembly that keep the kitchen counter spotless. Extracting optimal nutrition at home used to mean tolerating excessive prices, low yields from difficult greens, strict single-use limitations, and a punishing cleanup process. Removing those structural barriers turns a frustrating chore into a quiet morning routine. The true value of a health device is rarely found on a laboratory spec sheet. It is measured by how seamlessly it integrates into a tired, busy person's morning. Maintaining your health over the long term does not require an endless reserve of raw willpower. It requires choosing the tools engineered specifically to take away your excuses.